Hello there, this is Sandeep Arora here. Welcome to my channel. My mission is to teach you AI so you can benefit from it in your work and in your life. Today I want to talk to you about deep research. So deep research is an AI agent which can take a simple command or a simple instruction and it can go out there, get information, do web search. It can plan based on the information it got using step-by-step reasoning. It can synthesize all the information, do deep research, and come back to you with the outcome of what you wanted. Okay, so this is not like ChatGPT where you give it a prompt and instantly you get an answer back. No, deep research takes time to plan, synthesize, execute tools. It thinks, and so it is asynchronous. Okay, it could take 2 minutes, it could take 10 minutes. It goes out there, it does everything, and then comes back with the outcome. Okay, now how does it do that, right? It has access to tools like OpenAI Deep Research has access to tools like web search, okay, code interpreter, Python. It can run Python code based on your command to give you the analysis you requested. It can do image reading, it can do image generation, it can do reasoning, it can do planning. Okay, not only that, right, you can supply this AI agent with your own information. Like Gemini, you can upload your own corporate files, right? You can you can supply it your own corporate data using MCP connections, using connectors. Okay, and it can take all that information, synthesize it, okay, reason on it, okay, and then come back to you with what you wanted. All right, so this is really, really powerful. Let me show you a few examples. Okay, so go to ChatGPT, and the way to use deep research is click over here and select deep research. Okay, I have a paid version of ChatGPT, and I get a limited number of deep research queries. All right, so now let me give you an example. So basically, I wanted deep research to give me a list of all AI factories, that is data centers in construction or planned in America. Okay, and I also wanted it to give me a graph. So I gave it this prompt. Okay, I went to deep research and I said, hey, can you research and produce a histogram of the number of data centers in development stage in America? The y-axis should have a state name, x-axis should have the number of data factories, and then it asked me, it clarified, okay, so that it has all the information it needs. Once I answered the questions, the agent went out and started to do its thing. Okay, it first did web search across the internet based on my request. Okay, and then it did step by step reasoning. It read all the documentations, it planned, and then it gave me an outcome, and then based on the outcome it generated an image. So again, this is an example where deep research has access to many tools like web research, code, data analysis, image analysis, PDF analysis, and you can give it your own custom tools. Okay, it goes out there, does a web search, it can read multi-model data, you can supply it your own data, and then it does step-by-step reasoning, it plans, and then it produces an outcome based on your instruction. So here, just take a look at it. It took 10 minutes. Okay, it and it does show you the plan so that you know where the data is coming from. It basically looked at 24 sources. It analyzed the information from here and it gave me this nice report which I can also, share or download. uh, and then it also gave me a table and it generated a chart. Now if I don't like this format, I can take it and reformat it using AI. But the point being, this work, if I would have to do it myself, it would have taken me 3-4 hours. Okay, that's example number one. It's my example. Another example is this case study, okay, by this manufacturing company. And they are a enterprise chat GPT enterprise user, and they use custom GPTs and other tools. But what really caught my attention was investigations reduced from months to minutes with deep research capabilities with ChatGPT. This is amazing, right? So this company basically supplied all their internal data to deep research to for investigation problems, and this is just amazing. Okay, so I just wanted to call this out. Now, Perplexity is also a deep research agent. You have Gemini, So again, the point being, this is an AI agent. It's available now. You can use it now, and it's only gonna get better from here. All right. So let's come back to my slide. This is over here, and there are a lot of use cases, right? A lot of use cases. Uh, Market research, investigation across internal documents. Investigations could be in medical claims. Is it legit, not legit? Competitive analysis. Okay, policy changes. So let's say the tariffs are changing constantly. You can have deep research. Figure out what changes are happening, how it's going to impact your industry, things like that. So I hope you liked it. I encourage you to play with deep research, use it in personal and work modes. Thank you very much.